how to buy jailstool token on Trust Wallet. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screen. To be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet, go and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your Trust Wallet for that. So first I will need to just log in to my wallet. So after you log into your wallet, what you need to do, scroll down and click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon. Now select this Solana from here, as you can see, to be able to add this token to your wallet. So as you can see, click on it. Now here, place the token on this. This is our token, click on Add Token. Now search for the token that you just added called jailstool. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. So as you can see, you have two options, the send and the receive. So the only way to buy this token on Solana, on Trust Wallet, sorry, so by having it on another wallet, like by Bitget wallet. So go to that wallet that you have the jailstool token and click on that token, click on send, and now you will be able to copy the withdrawal address. How to do that? Go back and now select the token that you just added called jailstool. So this is it. Now click on receive. So after that, click on proceed anyway. Now select it again. As you can see, now copy this withdrawal address, go to that wallet and paste it there and click on send, and you will be able to receive it on Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy a jailstool token on Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.